say I be like say na her phone, I carry her phone. She dey do something for her phone, say I can't carry her phone. So I can't seize the phone. So as I seize the phone, next thing like this, she don't lock my shirt, lock my neck. We shall struggle, we shall fight small, but no be big one. So that's the first time say you say I go first touch her. The second time now when blessing our house rent cause that issue, we get fight before that stuff. So instead of me I give her the full amount, so I give her like 80% of the money. So okay, I dey come.
You fit tell us the amount.
Yeah, our house rent now 1,050.
It cost to.
So I give her like 700 then.
Okay.
So as I talk now, I go to place some voice note so to back up my stuff. So I think this is the first time we had issue. That was I think August 2025. So she thought say if she dey follow me talk, say me say I no go listen. So this way I say if you won't follow me talk to me like say you dey follow your husband talk. So me now everybody there now. So everybody go judge say the way which they talk. Maybe if now you the way you go react, you go tell everybody now. So may I play the voice note for now?
Give me this money today. No, complete the money. You go complete. Okay, not get anything like that.
This is not the issue of the money where I talk. Oh.
Crash on your head. Oh yeah, come now. May you come. Come stop me now. I said that you come. Shall you be mad? Give me. Oh yeah, come. Come. You crash on your head. No way. Come. Come past here. Give me this money. You go give me. Me and you go see her. You go see her now. Maybe then you have this. Okay, you don't get what you use. You don't get what you use.
As they talk here, me, I dey on top couch, oh. I no touch her. I just lie down. So now she say, come now. The lay they go.
Now you have to start make up punish you, make paralyze you. Now your ears, body. You see Papa touch me.
So anytime you get issue, next thing like this, you carry phone, give Zion, make it they record me. That's the second born. That's the one we born for promise.
Yeah. That one I disrespect for that one. They give the baby call, make they record you.
My customer don't go now. Come try him. Make you come try him. Now you want me saying that we go kill you for you. You crazy for you. You never go flex man. Rubbish.
This one way I dey record that. Some stuff don't happen before you say I no record. So now because say I don't see how she take be. If say now she thought say she no be aggressive person. That one I lie. Oh. Say she no be aggressive person. If you don't get issue like this, next thing na to go door, lock door, say me I no come house. So as the issue of the first time you say police come our house, I should first call police for me. The first time the police come the house, I should first call police. Second time, I should call police. So as per me, I don't have document. I came to France 3 years ago. So me, I don't want issue for myself. So like the third time you say police come, now me call them. Say, Wetin go make me beat you? I will call police. They will carry me go outside. Now why she thought say I call police for her the first time? And Wetin go say I won't go work. I dey start to work by 10 or 11. So she knows say now only this work I get. She go come go door, lock door, stay for door. Say me, I no go work. No say she go talk say she talk am like say you're not going. She go like raise her voice like in this aggressive manner. Like say no, you know you go. Anything you want to do today, you know go. So the second time too, where this thing won't happen. Now because say that day she dey cook pasta, she can't say me I help her stay am. But the way she follow me talk, I don't know say if you want follow me talk, they talk normal. But she go like just they shout like they shout. So that day as she can't shout, I just leave the say it won't burn, make it burn. So the pasta can't spoil. As the pasta spoil, as the pasta spoil, she can't say, oh, as it don't spoil, so.
Your singlet, leave it.
It's not pajama, it's pyjama.
So as the pasta spoil, so she can't say, because that night I was supposed to go to work. She can't say as the pasta don't spoil, oh, say me I must cook another one. That was around 11 or something. I call her mama. I call my mama. I call my papa. Everybody talk to her. She no gree. She say I must cook another one. Until I enter kitchen, put another pasta for water for her before she allow me go. That day I come out by maybe 1:30 or to 2. They go work. So the last time you say police come now, that was on Tuesday. Because Sunday, Monday na my off. So that Tuesday, you get plate where say it day house. Plate day, some other stuff the floor. So like on Monday before she go work, she tell me say me I do am. But
Which
like,
thing? May you wash plate?
she say me I wash plate. That's
Wait. Wait.
plate.
May you mute it? Not get mute.
Beauty, no get you no wash. No get shut up your matty.
Wait. Who
Ah,
do that?
Piawu.
Not
You
drop
want talk?
anybody.
Two man talk. We
Just
just talk.
let
No
the
get.
Now
Two
he
man
drop.
talk.
Now he drop himself.
Not be me drop. I don't.
Now no get drop himself.
I don't know. Ask am. Drop.
No get. Fair mood. May yours my your stuff. So this one not be. I don't want May Saga come. May we just listen to her. No, let's listen to the man.
Lucky tell you what you are. You will never marry.
It's okay now. It's okay now. Mona not spoil
You will never
this.
marry. You dey talk.
Now you want to look at wife to pass your wife.
Lucky nice. Lucky nice.
I beg now.
Lucky nice. I beg.
Okay, may you stop.
I beg.
Stop now. I beg.
Mona let this man talk. I beg me.
I know how this man is feel now.
Mona no
Mona
use
let her
quarrel.
talk.
Exactly. Mona let her talk.
Enoki, I beg. We don't need quarrel. May we iron this issue. People issue. I beg.
I beg everybody feel mood. No matter anybody with the up. I beg Mona mood. I beg. I know say the kind of DNA about Lucky Nice and Nogi. That DNA no match. No matter what you go do, it no match. They no fit go for the same side. So I beg.
Mute, I beg.
Goya mute too.
Mute, I beg.
Mute. Okay? Just mute. I be don't fair call you no pick. Okpeyemi.
No worry, my phone off. Now make her Osas.
Who they carry me the call? Why mu very?
Osas, I bet before me may no get go down. We not fit talk if I no get there. Never. Osas, if you all want more, your
Don't
stop.
go down. Don't go down.
Thank you. Better.
Maybe mute first. You mute. Okpeyemi, can you hear me?
They call am.
Like I said that they call and dey for a call.
Goya.
Osas, una good evening, oh. My brothers and sisters. Wadomo. You get one record when be say Okpeyemi play given and recently, right? Say for pastor. You dey get me?
Are you talking? No.
No, my people tell me. So we dey use our other phone.
God.
We dey use our other phone till they wash you now. You dey get me? I want to make
Which one be Okpeyemi? Not be your husband.
Wait now, Sars. My talk now. Not they distract me. Let me just talk now, Sars. You dey get me?
You call on your husband.
No problem.
Yeah, call your husband.
Okay, my husband. No problem.
Osa, make your fair wait. Make me come back.
Yeah, Okpeyemi.
Okay, no problem. I mute.
Now back Goya the follow you. Your fair mute.
Only two people have been need for up here. I'm not gonna lie on her before,
I said that they call this guy.
This matter big pass me.
Bye bye.
So you get your phone number. Why did they disturb us? As you get
I don't get
Where
it.
be phone number? Not really.
Not be, Mommy Angel, not be me bring and come. Oh, we just dey talk
No,
random.
you know me now. You know me.
okay, no, not me. Maybe you want talk, you might too now. I don't be like
I
this.
just make a
Now
boy.
because Osas dey close to am, na make her climb up.
Yes, now. Now.
Oh yeah.
Me not even know say na him when I bring him.
Opeyemi, can you hear me?
We dey on call.
Okay. Oh, wait. We not fit dey wait. Abeg, please, guys. Before he go come, he go continue. Lucky nice. We not fit dey wait for am. May not be say we not dey talk anything. You understand? He go continue. So, Goya.
Osas, I beg. 1 minute.
I want ask one
Osas, no, wait first. How they come? 1 minute.
Come now. Come, not give me the money. Me, I dare you. Oya, come with me. You go give me this money today. No, complete the money. You go complete. Okay, not get ready like that.
This not the issue of the money we talk. Oh.
Crash on your head. Oya, come now. May you come. Come slap me now. I said that you come. Shall you be mad? Give me. Oya, come. Come. You dey crash on your head. No way. Come. Come past here. Give me this money. You go give me. Me and you go see her. You go see her now. Maybe then you have this. Okay, you don't get what you dey use. You don't get what you dey use.
As they talk here, me, I dey on top couch. Oh. I no touch her. Oh. I just lie down. So now she say, come now. They lay and they go.
Now you have to take that make up punish you. Make paralyze you. Now your ears, hold it. You see Papa touch me.
So anytime you get issue, next thing like this, you carry phone, give Zion, make it they record me. That's the second born. That's the one we born for promise.
Yeah.
Man, man. Okay, please. If you see Papa beat me, touch it. If they hear me, touch it. You'll be recording us. They crazy for your head.
That one I disrespect for that one. They give the baby call, make they record you.
Yeah, tomorrow. Give me that one twenty right, don't miss her. My customer don't go now. Come try am. Make you come try am. Now you want me saying that we go kill you for you. They crazy for your head. You never go flex, man. Rubbish.
This one way I dey record that. Some stuff don't happen before we say I no record. Oh. So now because say I don't see how she take be. Let me say now she thought say she no be aggressive person. That one I lie. Oh. Say she no be aggressive person. If you don't get issue like this, next thing na to go door, lock door, say me I no come out house. So as the issue of the first time you say police come our house, I should first call police for me. The first time the police come the house, I should first call police. Second time, I should call police. So as for me, I don't have documents. I came to France 3 years ago. So me, I don't want to issue for myself. So like the third time you say police come, now me call them. Say, Wetin go make me beat you? I will call police. They will carry me go outside. Now why she thought say I called police for her the first time? And Wetin go say I want go work. I dey start work by 10 or 11. So she knows say now only this work I get. She go come go door, lock door, stay for door. Say me, I no go work. No say she go talk say, no say she go talk and like say you're not going. She go like raise her voice like in this aggressive manner. Like say no, you know you go. Anything you want to do today, you know go. So the second time too, where this thing won't happen. Now because say that day she dey cook pasta, she can't say me I help her steer. But the way she follow me talk, I don't say if you want follow me talk, they talk normal. But she go like just they shout. So that day as she can't shout, I just leave the pastor say he won't bomb, maybe bomb. So the pastor can't spoil. As the pastor spoil, she can't say, oh, as it don't spoil, so
Your singlet, leave it.
It's not pajama, it's pyjama.
So as the pastor spoil, so she can't say, because that night I was supposed to go to work. She can't say as the pastor don't spoil, oh, say me I must cook another one. That was around to 11 or something. I call her mama, I call my mama, I call my papa. Everybody talk to her. She no gree. Oh. She say I must cook another one. Until I enter kitchen, put another pasta for water for her before she allow me go. That day I come out by maybe 1:30 or to 2. They go work. So the last time you say police come now, that was on Tuesday. Because Sunday, Monday na my off. So that Tuesday, you get plate wey be say e dey house. Plate dey, some other stuff dey floor. So like on Monday before she go work, she tell me say may I do am. But
Which
like,
thing? May you wash plate?
she say may I wash plate. Just wait.
Wait. Wait.
Plate.
May you mute it? Not the mute.
Mute here, y'all know what? They don't get shut up your matty.
Wait. Who
Ah,
did that?
Piabu.
Not
You
drop
want
anybody.
to talk? You
Just
just
let
talk.
the young
Now you want to talk?
Now I drop himself.
Not be me drop. I don't.
Now I don't get drop himself.
I don't know. Ask her. Not be me drop.
No get. Fair mood, may yours my your stuff. So this one not be. I don't want me saga come. Me we just listen to her. No, let's.
Lucky I tell you, you are. You will never marry.
It's okay now. It's okay now. Mona,
You will never marry. You will talk.
Now you want to look at why you pass your wife.
Lucky.